Hello students, I am Pooja Anand Gaikwad, lecturer, Civil Engineering Department from Brahmadev Dadamane Polytechnic, Belati, Solapur. Today we will study Unit 1, Cement, Part 2 from the course Concrete Technology of the program Civil Engineering, 3rd semester. Hydration of cement. Definition. Cement gains its strength through a chemical reaction with water. This exothermic reaction between water and cement, which liberate heat, is known as hydration. And the reaction by which cement acts as bonding agent is called as hydration of cement. Now, exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction means the chemical reaction which releases energy to its surrounding, usually in the form of heat. To understand the hydration of cement in a better way, now we will see the image. When water is added to the cement, then we mix it to form a cement paste. This reaction is known as hydration of cement, which releases heat. Now we will see applications of hydration of cement. As you can see, the image shows a dam. The construction of dam is a huge construction work, so it requires large amount of concrete. Second image shows example of mass concreting construction, which means construction that requires large amount of concrete for its construction. So here we have seen application. First one is construction of concrete dams, and second one mass concreting constructions in detail. Now the study of control of heat of hydration is mainly through these two applications only. The compounds which are formed for hydration of cement are calcium silicate hydrate and tricalcium aluminate hydrate. Note: the rate of hydration of C2S is very slow and it takes 1 year for its hydration process. Now here C2S stands for dicalcium silicate. Physical properties of OPC, for which laboratory tests are conducted. Before starting the physical properties, we will understand about IS. We refer IS, its full form is Indian Standard, which is referred for conducting common procedures, validation, and to maintain same and required standard all over the India. First is fineness. It refers to the size of grain or particles of cement. Fineness of cement can be determined by two methods. Sieve test. Indian Standard 4031, Part 1, 1996. Air permeability method. For this we refer Indian Standard 4031, Part 2, 1999, 2000. Standard consistency. Consistency of cement refers to the thickness or thinness of cement paste when cement is mixed with water. In other words, standard consistency is referred or is defined as that consistency which will permit a standard wicket plunger to penetrate a depth of 33 to 35 mm from the top of the mold in a standard wicket apparatus. Setting time. There are two types of setting time. Initial setting time. Initial setting time is the time elapsed between the moment when the water is poured in cement to the moment when the cement paste starts losing its plasticity. For this, we refer Indian Standard 4031 Part 5, 1988-2000. Second one is final setting time. Final setting time is defined as the time elapsed between the moment when water is added to the cement and the moment when the paste has completely lost its plasticity. Now here we have a note. This final setting time test is continuation of initial setting time test. For this we have used same mold. For this test we refer Indian Standard 4031 Part 5, 1988-2000. Same as initial setting time test. Fourth one, soundness. The ability of a hardened paste to retain its volume after setting with change in temperature is known as soundness. Compressive strength. Compressive strength is the capacity of a material or structure to withstand or to hold or to take loads tending to reduce its size as opposed to which withstands loads tending to elongate. In other words, compressive strength resists or to stop being pushed together. Here we have seen different physical properties of OPC, that is ordinary Portland cement, and which IS code is referred for this test. Thank you.